Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Life Review. My name is Dev and today I will be doing the unboxing of a product for which I am really excited about. I'm buying things from my office in the Great Indian Sale, Amazon Great India Sale. I recently did the unboxing of this, the Logitech mouse. I'll put the link of that somewhere above. Go check that out. And this is another one of the products which I bought from our office. So this is one of the best headphone that you can get right now. On budget. So I did a lot of research. I narrowed it down to the XR900, this one. So and I decided for this. Why? I will tell you in the full review of this, which will be dropping very soon. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. So now let me show you on the box and then we'll do the unboxing itself. So this is the HyperX Cloud Stinger and heavyweight sound and signature memory foam. So yeah, it's something. This is written also in French. So I'm a bit worried about this. Muse et mémoire de foam. So what does it have? DTS headphone X spatial audio spatial. Okay, DTS not Dolby but DTX 50mm driver. So this is really big. 50mm drivers. This is huge. You can get a huge spatial audio with that. This also have memory foam. So HyperX have really good memory foam. They are really reputed for that. And noise cancelling mic. So again, I bought this to have calls spatially, and that's the reason this is very important. So this headphone has one of the best noise cancelling mic in the market. So that's the reason I went for this noise cancelling mic. And this mic has another feature which I will show you after I have done the unboxing. So 2 years of warranty, and this is only for PC. So do not buy this for your Xbox or PlayStation or whatever. So on this side, warranty, blah blah blah. Manufacturer. So this is made by Kingston. You remember Kingston? They make pen drives and memory cards. So this is from Kingston. Importer, country of origin, of course, this is China, and the MRP of this is 6,290. But I got this for around 2,400 something. So of course, as I was saying, Great India Festival in Amazon. So really cheap, and this is a steal at this price, I have to say. So 6,000 and I got this for 2,000 something. So that's a difference of around 4,000 rupees. All right, some other brandings here. So this side, okay, what does it say? DTS, especially the things that we already saw on the top. Just something to carry it, and we are all gamers. So this is primarily a gaming headset, but yeah, the mic is good. You can use it for all the other things. So coming to the back, heavyweight sound, signature memory foam, HyperX Cloud Stinger. Yeah, English, a lot of different languages it is written. So how do you know it's international brands? They will put all these details in multiple languages: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different languages. All right. So let's go for the English because we do not know the other. DTS headphone, 2 years activation code included. All right. So this is something I didn't know. 50mm driver, memory adjustable, memory foam, adjustable screen, steel sliders. We'll see. Noise cancelling mic, PC only. Right. And what's this? Technical support package, content we'll see. All right, let's not waste any more time and see this. Okay, nice packing, the color coordinated and all this. Okay, so this is nice. They have provided some material, but it's in plastic. I always say that do not use that much of paper. They have used a paper and then they have put it in a plastic. Okay, I do not like that anymore. Not like that at all. So some things, activation code. Okay, this is here. So maybe that's the reason, so that people do not scratch it. So I have to scratch it and I have to redeem it. So what? Maybe I will tell you how it goes in the review video. But yeah, this is a simple unboxing. So yeah. HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your product, so how to contact their customer care. All the details are here. Quick start guide. The volume controls and all these things. So all the docs out there who do not know how to use that. Microphone mute. Yeah, this is something. Yeah, we'll go into that. PC or notebook. And on this side, control. All right, it says it for PC, but it has given it for Xbox One. So I guess it works for Xbox controllers also. Xbox One, it runs for that. PS4, all right, it runs for everything, it seems. I don't know. So let's see. Okay, nicely packed. It has a sticker here, and bring this out. To bring this entire thing, right? Yeah, let's get rid of the box. So 1.3 meter this cable here, 3.5mm headphone jack, and they said that there is an extension somewhere. Let me check, maybe it's in the box. Yeah, in the corner. So they have an adapter here. So you can split it up. This is the splitter cable. You can insert this here and split it up into just headphone and mic. So this is especially useful for this old these blocking your PC. In that you'll have to do that, and also I think this is also useful in PS4. All right, let us try to bring this out. Oh, this is actually securely in place. That's the reason I was not able to bring this out. Let me try to open this. So nicely packed. I would say very securely packed to avoid any damage in transit. So this one is open. Okay. Too secure. So something here. What is this? Okay, so as I was saying, nicely secured. This is a bit of a foam so that the headphone does not get scratched off it. Good. Attention to details. I always like that. You should get your money's worth. Okay, so 90-degree rotatable headphone cups, and I would say this is really nice, very soft. I'm surprised. So this is what you get, kids. This is what you get when you pay more money. You get quality and you get these small touches. So this is really nice. And yeah, steel slider, pure steel, and in between this is plastic. So again, attention to details. I like this. And these are the grooves which will help it to keep this in place. So, okay, so memory foam, as they were saying, this is a foam, looks nice. And so yeah, this is, I think this is a normal foam. They're marketing this as memory foam. It does not stay in place, no memory at all, memory loss. Okay, and yeah, normal plastic. This is not an LED, this will not glow up. This is just a red paint, nothing else. And this looks a bit cheap. I was expecting a little bit more good finish, but actually the plastic looks a bit plasticky. I don't know. Okay, yeah, okay, plastic will be plasticky, what to do. Okay, but yeah, I was expecting a little bit more. All right, what else? Controllers. So these have volume adjustable, and this is also smooth, very smooth. This is not like incrementally like click, not like that. It's a smooth. You can simply slide this on less, volume less, and volume increase. Okay, what's on the other side? Nothing here. Yeah, so I was telling you about another quality of this mic, why I got this. So this one actually is again very smooth, but you can mute this by just turning it on top. So if you hear the click here, yeah, so this means muted. So this is something I really wanted during my calls. So quick mute, unmute. So this is something I was looking for. I think the only other option is in Jabra, but those cost around 40,000 rupees. I don't want to pay that amount of money. But yeah, and this is adjustable. As you can see, this looks like plastic, but this is, you can adjust it really nice. Let me turn this around. Let me give you a little bit of, so nice. I think this is a metal, something like that, stays in place. This is really nice, another good touch. And this one here is, it's like mixed plastic, rubbery plastic, something like that. And this is the mic here. So beautiful. And you can almost see the 50mm driver here. It's a little bit like textured here. It has some grooves like this here. So all right, that is it for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll answer each and every one of you. And I'll do the review of this really soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.